Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to paint your nails. So first you want to remove the nail varnish if you have any on. As you can see, mine's all chipped and it's been growing out for a few weeks. But yeah. So I noticed that a lot of people that have been watching my videos haven't subscribed, so if you could, that would be helpful. So yeah, basically I'm just removing the nail polish. You want to make sure you get into all the crevices because nail varnish is harder to remove from them areas. So now that I've finished my first nail, I'm going to move on to the next ones, but I'm going to do it off camera so you can just follow what I did on the first one. I've also creamed my feet and now I'm rubbing off the cream from my nails so that the nail varnish sticks on better. Now I'm buffing my nails. Well, I haven't got a buffer, but I'm using a nail file and it's going to prepare my nails for the nail varnish. So you want to paint over the nails twice or 3 times so that you get a nice solid colour. Make sure you scrape off the excess because it's harder to get off once it's dry. You can always use nail varnish remover, but sometimes it gets onto the actual nail. So now I've finished the nails. Just follow what I did with the first nail. And then you should be good. This is me doing the second coat. Make sure you don't do it too slow because the nail varnish can dry really quickly. So this is the nails finished, the second coat finished. Now I'm going to apply the glitter. Sorry about the quality, I was using my phone. So this is the second coat of the glitter. You want to make sure you do a couple coats or 3 because sometimes the glitter doesn't stick on properly. So this is them finished. They're still drying, but thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share with your friends, and have a nice day. Also leave any suggestions down below for any video.